Hey, welcome back to the channel, Juicy Tech Channel. My name is REOD Juice. Welcome back. This is a update, basically, of my journey in tech. So right now, let's just jump right into the situation, jump right into the video. Right now, I'm learning HTML, right? HTML, I'm learning that. Basic knowledge, not knowledge, but basic training. I'm very brand new to this, so it is, HTML is it's its own language basically. It's coding. It's fun. First of all, it's fun because I enjoy creating. Right, that's what coding is to me. Like just like making music. I make music on the side. I make a lot of beats and I upload the content on Apple Music or Spotify, even YouTube, and it's a lot of fun creating that stuff. Right, I use softwares to make music, and it's a lot of fun just having something out that was an idea become reality. And that's how I see coding. It's the same thing to me. Something is an idea and it will become reality once you put it together. And it's a lot of fun doing it. It's just creating, really. I love to create, and that's why it's fun to me, coding. So it's not easy, obviously. It's if you're brand new to it, it is a whole new world. It's just a lot. But it's fun, it's different, and I can't wait to get better at it and just be able to read codes. And it's interesting. It's very, very interesting and fun at the same time. So that's what's going on. So I'm taking some courses. I plan on taking some courses. Right now I'm watching a bunch of YouTube videos for free on HTML, and it's very helpful. I'm learning what they're downloading, how they're what platforms they use to code. And there's something called Visual Studio Code. Hope I said that right. And that's what I'm using right now to start my journey of learning of how to use or read HTML. So that's what's going on right now. It was a free program, Visual Studio Code. And the person on the YouTube video is just basically explaining in basic form how to start coding, what this means. I'm learning how to open and close in a HTML. I'm learning about the like the head part, the body, all that stuff. I'm learning so basic knowledge right now, but it's fun because I had no idea of this world of learning coding. It's I'm so new to this, so not a long video, but that's what's going on right now as we speak. I'm learning HTML. I plan on doing that. I plan on learning CSS next, and then JavaScript. Once I learn JavaScript, I plan on maybe going to school, because the plan was to go to school first, right? That was the plan from the very beginning. I'll go to a coding school and learn from there. But it's like, why should I spend the money when I can learn this stuff for free, literally? And before I start school, I can have a basic knowledge in how to code, or what is CSS, HTML, JavaScript. Like once I go to the school, I'm not so lost, you know what I mean? And I don't like that. I like having some kind of knowledge. And why not just do that since it's free? Why should I just wait to learn from a professor or someone that's going to teach me this stuff in school when I just start learning right now and be ahead of the class? That makes sense to me. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I think it's a good idea. Just kind of get your feet wet, learn on your own as much as you can, and when you're ready to advance, then join a coding school. Maybe learn how to work with a team of people, and learn how to network and meet people and all that stuff, and learn maybe that's some tips, advice that they can give you of doing this stuff. You know what I mean? I think that's a way better journey or path to take right now. Just start on my own, learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as much as possible, and just learn what I can on my own, and then go to some school and learn from them what other information that they may have for me, because it may become challenging. It will be challenging. So, but I won't be so lost in class. I'll have an idea of what's going on. I really like that so much. So that's what's going on right now. I'm learning HTML at my own time, and it's going to be a lot of work. I'm lost. I'm not, I'll tell you that, I'm not lost. I'm just learning just the basics of HTML, and soon I'll learn about CSS. I do know the difference would be between the three, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Basically, HTML is it deals with a lot of, how should I put it, a lot of wording when you're building a website, right? It deals with the text of the website, right? That's what HTML is all about, the text, and when you're building something. CSS is more for styling, colors, and how to make the fonts change, and that's CSS. It deals with style. It styles the website for you, colors and fonts and all that stuff. JavaScript is really about making the website functional. So, when you click on something and something happens, like if you're on Twitter, for example, and you're trying to tweet something, by you being able to click on the link and click on stuff to make things move and be not visual, but like have some kind of motion, that's JavaScript. So interesting, right? Because I've always heard of JavaScript. I just wasn't sure what it was exactly. I knew it was a language in coding. I just didn't know what was this, function. Like what is it used for, primarily or mainly? And that's what it's used for. Is to make the website just kind of come to life. Things are moving around, like motion. That's JavaScript. So I'm learning this stuff, basic information in coding, and I will learn more, and I cannot wait. So that's what's going on. Like I said before, not a long video, just kind of giving an update of what's going on with me. If you're interested in learning, well, not learning, but just seeing my journey into learning how to become a coder, or how to become either a software developer, software development, or you just being able to create softwares or applications, or I'm not sure what actual job title I'm interested in to learn or to get into, but I need to learn how to at least code and read what's going on, and that's like a must. A lot of jobs are asking for JavaScript. They're even asking for this language called React. I'm not gonna drive myself crazy and learn all these languages, but the basics is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and that's what's going on right now as we speak. I'm on that level, and I cannot wait to learn more, and I will learn more, and just go from there. And I just can't wait to be able to read the codes like an actual language. Well, that's what it is. It's a language, and you're reading it stuff to like know what's going on. I just can't wait. So, yes, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching this, and once again, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Once I upload new content, you'll be first to receive that notification or alert and watch that video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video. You have a safe and wonderful day, and that's about it. Man, it's hot. It is hot today. Peace out. I'm here in Florida. It's really hot. Peace out.